Ephesians chapter 6 in verse 1. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right.
Amen.
Amen.
Honor thy father and mother, which is the first commandment with promise.
Verse 3. That it may be well with thee, and thou mayest live long on the earth.
And ye fathers, provoke not your children to wrath, but bring them up in the nurture and admonition of the Lord.
Servants, be obedient to them that are your masters according to the flesh, with fear and trembling, in singleness of your heart, as unto Christ.
Not by service as pleasers, but as servants of Christ, doing the will of God from the heart.
With good will doing service as to the Lord and not to men.
Knowing that whatsoever good thing may man doeth, the same shall be received of the Lord, whether he be bond or free.
And ye masters, do the same things unto them, forbearing, threatening, knowing that your master also is in heaven, neither is there respect of person with him.
Finally, my brethren, be strong in the Lord and in the power of his might.
Put on the whole armor of God, that ye may be able to stand against the wiles of the devil.
For we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, against the rulers of the darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places.
Wherefore take unto you the whole armor of God, that ye may be able to withstand in the evil day, and having done all, to stand.
Stand therefore, having your loins girt about with